Hey guys, it's Zach, the creator of Beauty and the Fit, where we make fitness fun. This is your Upper Abs Blast Workout Challenge set to the song Bed by Nicki Minaj and Ariana Grande, all about the upper abs. You guys have been requesting more ab workouts, so we're targeting the upper portion of the abs, so you just need a mat, a positive attitude. Do this song with me all the way through, and you will definitely feel the burn. So if you're a new subscriber here, hello, what's up? And if you're joining us for the first time, well, click that subscribe button because I post tons of workout videos just like this. Let's grab your mat and work out together. Start at the end of your mat, and then we're just gonna roll yourself all the way down with control to the floor. Perfect. Then you're gonna take your legs as straight as you can to the sky. Heels are pressed, toes are pointed, fingertips behind your head. We crunch and lower. So we're lifting and lowering, but keep your elbows very wide. Now we're just gonna pulse it out. So little pulse, lift, lift. 1 and 2, and so all I'm doing is lifting my shoulder blades an inch off the mat. So I'm putting a lot of work in that upper ab area. Good, and then see how straight you can get those legs. Point the toes, crunch, crunch, crunch. Now if your hip flexors are feeling it, you can always just bend the knees and do tabletop position. Lift, lift. Yes, I already feel my upper abs. Get ready for move 2. Good, opposite arm, opposite hand. Reach the ankle, 1 and 2. Lift, lift, take it high, low. We reach and lower, good, high. And really think about rotating your arm over that ankle. Good, back to the little pulsing crunch. Lift, lift, OMG, right? Doesn't have to be fancy, okay? If you just repeat a couple ab moves over and over, you really feel it. 4, 3, 2, 1, reach, side to side, reach the ankle. Hey, got a bed, put your name on it. Reach the arm over the ankle. The higher you reach, the more effective you're gonna feel this in those upper abs and also some obliques here. Back to crunch, lift, lift. Again, if the hip flexors feel it, you can do this all with bent knees, but try your best to get super straight legs. Little pulsing crunches. Now I'm so excited for Nicki Minaj's new album. Oh my God, it's gonna be so good. Shh. Big exhale, lift and lower. Nice, guys. I've seen her twice in concert. Way back when she was touring with Lil Wayne, and then when she opened with Britney Spears. Best concert ever. Here we go, opposite arm, opposite ankle. Reach, reach. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Reach it over. Side to side, guys. Shh. Big exhale as you reach. You're so close to being done. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. How much higher can you lift the shoulders? Tuck that chin slightly. Reach, reach. Up, down, up, down. 8 more and you're done. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We hold to the top here, both arms hold. A little bit higher. Feel that burn. 4, lift. 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh my gosh. Roll yourself all the way up. Awesome job. So good, I love that song, and my abs are totally feeling it. My upper body and my upper abs are just like, oh, what's going on? I really love doing those like pulsing crunches because I really always feel it in the upper abs the next day. So I hope you enjoyed this workout, and don't you love that song? Have you seen the music video? It's giving me Little Mermaid realness, right? So give me a request of songs or workouts that you want to see next, and I love just reading comments, whether or not you guys are rocking these workouts or just you saying hello. I just love to hear from you guys. So much love to you all. I'll see you in the next rounds of film, and have a fantastic day. You rock this workout. Bye guys.